Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Ann Smith, and I'm a mother, advocate, and founder of Mission Possible University. And for me, this is personal because I began legal research when my daughter was railroaded in court with lies. That's when I learned the truth about our rights, and I started sharing it on social media. And now my mission is to help you navigate the system and win. In this video, I want to talk about the child support racket, okay? Because it really is a confidence game. It is actually one of the greatest confidence games ever played in court under the guise of dispensing justice. It is not justice, people. It is not justice, okay? 9 times out of 10, they have already committed 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, it's countless amounts of violations by the time you received a letter from them, the agency, the Child Support Enforcement Agency, claiming that you have a child support claim and you have a bill and now you have this debt and now you're going into arrears. I've had all kinds of different cases come up. There are cases of even people who are in prison who are still racking up child support arrears because they don't have the ability to pay, or people being threatened to be thrown into jail because they don't have the ability to pay. Oh, goodness. You know why they do this? They do this to us because they're counting on us not knowing our rights. When you don't know your rights, you have none. Okay? So this is why they do this. So I will, at the risk of sounding like a broken record, I'll say again, no man is above the law. Okay? If we have to follow the law, guess what? They have to follow the law. To me, the simplest thing is to just hold them accountable, right? I understand that they have violated a lot of the different rights that you have because they know you don't know your rights. But before I even go into dealing with the loss of the driver's license and this passport and what have you, and all of the other things that they take from you, I just deal with the debt. I deal with the actual claim, okay? Because it goes back to holding them accountable. I hold them to their own laws first and foremost. That's how you got to deal with them. That's it. There's no arguing or getting angry. No, no. Just uphold the law, and that's that. So, what is the major claim here? The major claim, or the claim that they're making against you, is a debt, right? So we have to make them prove their claim. It just goes, it's beyond debt validation. It's a little bit, it works different than dealing with a credit card company or with the credit bureaus. No, no, no. It's everything is a little bit different for each agency that you're dealing with. In this case, it's a different, it's a form of debt validation, but it's a little bit different. It's a little bit more involved because you do have to know the laws that back you up. Okay, and that's what I do. That's the first layer. That's the first order of business, is make them prove their claim, which is a debt claim against you, right? And then if that doesn't get them to act right, now you turn around and you counterclaim, and now you have a lawsuit. Okay. But typically after they're done playing all the little stupid games with their mail and trying to escalate to scare you and threaten you and things like that, because all of that happens. It's not just easy peasy. You send them notice and they're just gonna just cop to it. No, no, no. Sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. I've seen, a wide gamut of different responses. Now that I've been doing this now for about 3 years, I've touched probably every state now. So it's just a sin and a shame. The one in Florida, one of the counties in Florida, they just make it so blatantly obvious that it's about the money, it's not about the child, because it's handled by the Department of Revenue. I mean, the games these people play. But anyway, yeah, I don't play the games with them entering a default notice, because that's what it is. That's what a debt claim is. When they order you to pay, that's a default notice. But that's a extreme violation of your right to due process. But I don't want to get into all of that, because like I said, the first layer, the first order of business is to have them prove their claim. Okay, so then when they don't act right, okay, you send that first layer. That's the first letter, the first notice is the act right. Then when they don't act right, now you take it to them in court, right? And that's what we do here. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and sign up for the course. It's free. Okay, so you're gonna get the all of the secrets that I discovered, and then if you so choose, you can enroll in the premium version of the course, where I will stick with you until the case is closed. Now, I can't predict what response you're gonna get. That is literally humanly impossible, because there are uh, so many different ways that they can respond. My favorite, of course, is when they immediately close the case, which the fastest case that was closed was 7 days, right? And there are some that can go on for 2 or 3 months, because these people want to fight. They don't like that we are learning the law and we are learning our rights. They don't like that. So they're going to fight some of you. Okay. It's not going to be easy peasy just because you know the right. I made that mistake 8 years ago. I was like, oh, well, I know the law, and I know the right. Well, let's see if they're going to do the right thing. They don't. They don't always do the right thing. So if you're, you know, expecting it to be a breeze, then you have a rude awakening, awaiting you, because I'm telling I'm telling you, sometimes they will give you hell. All right, so I'm just trying to push out a couple videos before I go on a deep journey, because I've been getting a lot of questions, and I'm trying to put out these free information dumps, where I'm helping the masses, because it's time for us to wake up and work together. And the more people challenge and the more people know their rights, the better off we are as a society together. All right, so trying to make sure I covered all my bases, everything that I wanted to say. Yeah, I think. Hey guys, remember to share this video. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come subscribe too. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and comment down below the best part of the video that resonated with you. And also, in a separate comment, in a new comment, please drop a line about a video that you would like to see in the future. All right. I'll see y'all next time.